You guys won a lot of games, but it was all about the Ball brothers. Hauser left alone in the corner. Never a good idea for the defense.
Yep. Quinn Snyder's got to talk this out.
White with the rebound. Over to Hauser. Relocates and scores on a triple. 2 assists. Hauser fires and hits from downtown. Celtics on. Brown going to work. McCollum, quick hands. White gives it up. Hauser cashes out again. Sam Hauser is 4 for 5.
He's right so far.
We're going to get Jim Edmonds on the animation before Tom Giles. Hauser again. He's catching fire. 5 points, 2.5 minutes left in the first half.
Yeah, trying to find Jaylen Brown.
Hauser smoking hot.
Oh, I love that. All action, including my eye.
Jaylen Brown came up short. That would have given him 30. Hauser takes it away. Yes, sir!
Yeah! Look at Hauser. Look what I found.
The howitzer.
Right now, Detroit's up like 40 on Indiana. So it's gearing up for a big-time showdown on Monday. The Celtics are entering into
roll out. There it is, man. Sam
Come on,
Hauser,
Sammy.
a buttery shot, his ninth.
He got that today. 8 minutes to go in the fourth.
He can get 2 more.
Come on.
Here's one.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
10 for
One
Sam
more.
Hauser. 30 for 30. 10 for 15 from downtown.